You.
Welcome everybody to this Memorial Day edition. Today we are going to be trying the Soldier Valley.
All right. This is a blended whiskey that is 90 proof and is a project of country singer Lee Greenwood. So
We've had this bottle for a while. We just kind of went up on the shelf, and today we're looking at it, said it's Memorial Day. We need to do something for Memorial Day. So this is our Memorial Day special.
So here we go.
Nice pop.
Yep. I tend to shy away from a lot of celebrity whiskeys because it's usually something somebody slaps their name on, doesn't really have anything to do with the brand itself. There are a few exceptions. But one thing that got me on this right here was that this bottle in particular is modeled after a World War II water canteen and was a tribute to the veterans of World War II. And this is aged at least 4 years, distilled out of Lawrenceburg, Indiana, and bottled in Bardstown, Kentucky.
It's really light on the color. It's like a light tea.
Extremely light. It's 90 proof.
Yeah, it's not harsh on the nose.
Yeah, it almost has a Scotch look to it. Dusty corn on the nose, like you would get if you opened up a bag of feed corn. It's got some sweetness to it. Not a lot of complexity at all.
I'm not really getting a lot of like baking spices or anything either.
No.
Almost kind of an apple, like an apple cider-ish.
Yeah, or a pear or something like that. Well, never judge a book by its cover. Let's take it for a taste drive. Something weird in that. Never had this before. So it's still really bright. The flavor profile,
I get a little burn on the mouth.
Yeah, there is some definite burn aspect to it. But as far as like complex flavors and stuff, I'm not getting anything on it. I am getting a lot of oak, though.
It is oaky.
Maybe
it's from the nose, but I'm kind of getting like an apple fruit note.
I mean, it does coat the glass pretty well for a 90 proof. I'm really torn on rating this bottle.
I mean, it's not going to be a lot of the stuff that we're used to, you know, the highly allocated, or you know, it's a decent sipper.
Yeah, it's okay.
I mean, just the notes on this, I'm getting like an apple.
Getting an apple.
There's kind of a cinnamon on the back, but that kind of goes. That's in the long finish.
Right.
So I'm kind of thinking, I mean, I could put some ribs out on the grill, and this would pair pretty well with that.
Fried chicken would be good.
I just like ribs and potato salad.
Well, yeah, you love ribs and potato salad.
And this one, I think, would pair because it's kind of having that apple note.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes, get that applewood flavors in some ribs.
Okay, I could see that. As it sits a little bit, it's started opening up slightly.
I mean, it's a fresh crack.
I am getting a butteriness to it.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of that coating.
Yeah.
Like a buttery coating. I don't get it like a butter flavor.
Mm-mm.
But it does kind of have a slight coating. I mean, it holds the glass pretty nice. It does have good legs.
Yeah.
But
I mean, all in all, it's decent. I wouldn't pay over retail for it. I think I paid $40 for this.
I mean, it's...
Which, for that price point, being 90 proof, it doesn't taste bad. Mm-mm. It's decent whiskey. Sipping it neat is okay. I could see using it to make cocktails with. I think it would make a good old-fashioned.
Oh, yes. It's got some good notes that would really be brought out more in an old-fashioned. Might have to try that.
Yeah, and because now, after it's opening up even more, the bright fruitiness is really starting to come out a lot.
Yep. I might put a slab of ribs out there in a little while, and we can have a pour of this later.
Yeah. Still has a little bit of harshness. It has that sweet, dusty corn note. It doesn't say what the mash bill is. But all in all, I mean, we'll finish the bottle. Absolutely. It's not a bad pour at all.
And with this one, because of the notes, I wouldn't go to what I consider my normal cigars.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't pair any of those with it. I would pair something a little bit more robust for me. And I maybe a Groovy Blue.
Mm-hmm.
Or I've got another one that's a little bit more robust.
I could see those Olivas that you have as well.
That's
would go really well with this. On this, you can pair almost any cigar. You do get some butteriness. You do get sweetness. You get the oak. All in all, not a bad pour at all. And on a personal note, for today, just keep in mind what this day is about. It's about celebrating our brothers and sisters who paid the ultimate price so that we would have this freedom that we enjoy today, and which has allowed a lot of us to have this 3-day weekend. So instead of doing how we normally would do, I would like to propose a toast for my fellow veterans, and then more importantly, for those that aren't here to celebrate with us. So until next time, our friends, to the following.
Cheers.
I may have to revise that review right now on the spot, because now I'm starting to get like a buttercream, some sweetness. It's velvety. I think it just needs some time. We may have to revisit this come Veterans Day. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Should we have a all-star lineup for Veterans Day coming?
November.
Yep.
We'll just revisit it and see how it is.
Yep. And not a knock on Lee Greenwood at all on anything like this. It's good whiskey, and we appreciate everything that he's done for the veteran community.
Now that we've got it to where that's considered the shoulders,
we
need to put it back on the shelf.
Absolutely.
And then come back to it in November.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll do another review.
And by the way, did you hear about our giveaway? Well, Mary, why don't you explain it to them a little bit?
We are, at last counting, 20 people away, 20 subscribers away for us coming out and going to do a draw to win this bottle of Buffalo Trace store pick.
Store pick, got the sticker and everything. I know several have voiced that they can get Buffalo Trace, but they almost never see store picks. And so guess what? This is your opportunity. Mary, tell them how they can win this bottle.
What we need is like us, share us, subscribe. We just need 20 more subscribers. When we hit that 100 subscriber mark, that's going to trigger us. We're going to come out and we're going to do a video. And on that video, you'll make your comments.
Or better yet, we may go live.
Oh.
What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Would you like to see a live play on this?
Well, we'll have to put something out first.
Oh, absolutely.
So that everybody who's interested in this bottle will be able to comment. And then we'll probably run like a duck race or something with everybody who wants in. And then we can come live with the duck race.
Absolutely.
It'll be like the horsey race.
Yeah, be like the horse race that we did last, but we'll do duck races this time. Or who knows, maybe I'll look around and see if we can find a buffalo race.
Oh, that would be fun.
Yeah. All right. So we're going to go ahead and call it a day and get our Memorial Day going and spend some time reflecting on those that are not with us, but they are here in spirit.
Always in our heart.
Always. And until next time, our friends, cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.